In 2007, for the first time in the world by using stereo vision technology, we developed an in-car speedometer system for some invisible police activities to enforce the law for offender drivers. It can measure the distance of passing vehicles in front of the stationary and moving police car to it, reading their plates and measuring their speeds. This system consists of a speedometer cameras installed on the windshield, an LPR camera installed on the dashboard, a touchscreen UI also on the dashboard, and the basic structure of the system, including a processor, a charger, and a power circuit, all placed into the trunk. Apart from automatically detecting of all the passing vehicles by this system itself, a police agent can use it in manual mode to select any passing vehicle in front of the police car by touching that car on the touchscreen UI to know its speed, its plate, and its distance to the police car. And in the case of seeing any speed violation limit, he or she can penalize the offender driver. This speedometer system is based on stereo vision technology, just like an advanced driver assistance system, which takes advantage of the same technology for its forward collision warning, 2 seconds time to collision, and adaptive cruise control.